Artificial intelligence doctor. User question. What are the long-term effects and safety profiles of emerging anti-aging therapies, such as senolytics, NAD+ boosters, or telomerase activators, on delaying aging-related physiological decline in elderly populations? GPT-01 answer. As of my knowledge cutoff in October 2023, emerging anti-aging therapies such as senolytics, NAD+ boosters, and telomerase activators have shown promising results in preclinical studies and early-stage clinical trials. However, their long-term effects and safety profiles in elderly populations are not yet fully established due to limited human data. Below is an overview of each therapy, including current findings on their efficacy and safety. Senolytics. Overview. Senolytics are a class of drugs designed to selectively eliminate senescent cells, cells that have stopped dividing but do not undergo apoptosis. Accumulation of senescent cells is associated with aging and age-related diseases. Long-term effects. Efficacy. Preclinical studies in animal models have demonstrated that senolytics can improve physical function, extend health span, and reduce the progression of age-related diseases like osteoarthritis and atherosclerosis. Human studies. Early-phase clinical trials, e.g., with dasatinib and quercetin, have shown potential benefits in reducing senescent cell burden and improving clinical markers in conditions like idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Safety profile. Short-term safety. Short-term use appears to be relatively safe, with manageable side effects such as transient nausea, fatigue, and thrombocytopenia. Long-term safety. Long-term safety data are lacking. Potential risks include off-target effects leading to the elimination of non-senescent cells, which could impair tissue repair and immune function. NAD+ boosters. Overview. NAD+ boosters aim to increase levels of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD+, a coenzyme involved in cellular metabolism and DNA repair. Levels of NAD+ decline with age. Long-term effects. Efficacy. Animal studies suggest that NAD+ precursors like nicotinamide riboside, NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, can improve mitochondrial function, enhance physical endurance, and extend lifespan. Human studies. Clinical trials have reported increased NAD+ levels in humans after supplementation with NR or NMN, with some indications of improved metabolic parameters. Safety profile. Short-term safety. Generally well tolerated in short-term studies, with few adverse effects reported. Long-term safety. Insufficient data on long-term use. Concerns include the potential for promoting cancer cell growth, as NAD+ is also utilized by cancer cells for metabolism and DNA repair. Telomerase activators. Overview. Telomerase activators aim to maintain or elongate telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division, contributing to cellular aging. Long-term effects. Efficacy. In vitro studies and animal models have shown that activating telomerase can extend telomere length, improve cellular function, and increase lifespan. Human studies. Limited clinical data exist. Some small studies with compounds like TA65, a telomerase activator derived from Astragalus membranaceus, have suggested modest increases in telomere length and improvements in immune function. Safety profile. Short-term safety. Generally safe with minimal side effects in short-term use. Long-term safety. Potential risk of promoting cancer, as telomerase activation is a feature of many cancer cells. Long-term effects on cancer risk remain a significant concern. Combined interventions and general considerations. Efficacy of combined therapies. Synergistic effects. There is speculation that combining these therapies could have synergistic effects on delaying aging, but this has not been conclusively demonstrated in human studies. Individual variability. Responses to these therapies may vary based on genetic factors, existing health conditions, and environmental influences. Regulatory status. Not FDA approved for anti-aging. None of these therapies are approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, specifically for anti-aging purposes. Supplement market. Some NAD+ boosters and telomerase activators are available as dietary supplements, which are less rigorously regulated. Ethical and safety concerns. Long-term risks versus benefits. The long-term benefits of delaying aging need to be weighed against potential risks, including unintended effects on cellular function and cancer risk. Need for extensive research. More comprehensive, long-term clinical trials are necessary to fully understand the safety profiles and efficacy of these therapies in elderly populations.